The internet. Everyone uses it, nobody really gets how it works, so let's fix that without any of that information superhighway nonsense. At its core, the internet is just a bunch of computers talking to each other. That's it. Your computer wants to talk to Google's computer, it sends the message. But here's the thing, your computer can't just directly call Google like it's ordering pizza. There's no direct line. So how does your message get there? Think of it like mail, but stupider. When you send a letter, it goes to one post office, then another, until it reaches its destination. The internet does the same thing, except instead of post offices, we have routers. These routers are basically traffic directors. Your message gets chopped up into tiny pieces called packets, because apparently we can't just send the whole thing at once like normal people. Each packet gets an address slapped on it that's an IP address. It's like a home address, but for computers. 192.168.1.1 instead of 123 Main Street, because nerds love numbers. Now here's where it gets weird. Each packet might take a completely different route to get to the same destination. One packet goes through New York, another through Tokyo, another through your neighbor's router that's probably named FBI surveillance van. Once all the packets arrive, they get put back together like a jigsaw puzzle. Except sometimes packets get lost, show up late, or arrive drunk. So your computer has to ask for the missing pieces again. And that's basically it. The internet is just billions of computers playing the world's most complicated game of telephone, chopping up messages, throwing them into the void, and hoping they reassemble correctly on the other side. Oh, and all of this happens in milliseconds, which is honestly more impressive than it has any right to be. Now you know how the internet works. You're welcome.